This is the 6th generation of Xiaomi's most popular smart band, which offers similar features to mainstream smartwatches, but packed into a smaller, minimalistic design at one great price. This is my unboxing and detailed review of the Mi Smart Band 6, in which I'll be covering everything it has to offer, as well as all its new features compared to its previous Mi Band 5. The global price at the top right hand corner, exchange rate currently converted from the euro, and we do have a magnetic charger in the box, as well as the band itself and a manual, which I guess is pretty interesting. Here is the watch itself. It's nice and small. Like I said before, it comes in 6 different colors. We have a heart rate sensor as well as an SpO2 sensor at the back, and the magnetic charger over there. It can charge up the 125 milliamp hour battery and lasts about 14 days. The strap is antibacterial, but only for the black color, and putting it on is very similar to other smartwatches around. Just pops straight into it. For all different sizes, my wife tried it on and she has pretty tiny wrists, so even kids could wear this. And you can use the Mi Fit app found in the Play Store or the App Store on iOS, and it works with both Android and iOS, and pairing is a breeze to do. The main feature here is that 1.56 inch AMOLED display. It is all display all day, and the physical dimensions are similar to its predecessor, but remember that one is just a rectangular 1.1 inch AMOLED display with hefty bezels at the top and bottom with a home screen button at the bottom. The brightness is the same over here, though the pixels per inch has increased. There are also over 60 watch faces that you can choose from in the store, and you can even create your own one using a custom wallpaper, and when paired with your smartphone wallpaper, I think it looks pretty darn neat. Of course, you can also customize the smartwatch faces to show different things such as your heart rates, battery life, and weather, etc. And it does a great job, and it looks really good, pretty much like any other smartwatch would do. And you can of course change the brightness. We have 2 megs of RAM, 32 megs of ROM, definitely a big jump up from its predecessor. And within the app itself, we can enable lift wrist to show the display to wake it up, and it's pretty responsive like many other smartwatches out there. You can also set whether you use your left wrist or your right. You can have vibrations, notifications for pretty much any app on your device. Also an idle alert, which tells you if you're being a bit lazy, and you can set your heart rate monitor to automatically record between 1 and 10 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right over here. I'm pretty relaxed at the time being. We also have an option to share it with other devices around, and we do have sleep breathing tracking, which is something new, as well as SpO2 oxygen levels within your blood over here, which is something new for the Mi Band 6, and healthy. I guess I'm pretty healthy, 96%. We also have a stress measure tool over here, but I couldn't really get it to work, but thankfully they do have a breathing exercise to relax me after not getting that to work. And you do have a bunch of different status alerts that can alert how you have done in your past week, as well as a personal activity indicator, which measures the heart health impact of physical activity. You can of course also set custom alarms, though it can sync with your phone, as well as add any events which can remind you. Also have night mode to dim the display while you're sleeping, and you can customize which things pop up on your watch in your regular vertical scrolling menu, as well as your shortcut settings when you go horizontally, which is nice and neat to jump into something on the fly. Here is the weather options within the app, and it shows quite a bit of detail within the watch itself, and you can also use it as a shutter button when popping your phone in a distance, as well as change the tracks in any music app of your preference. We can also find our phone when it's gone missing and find our watch too, and once you do decide to find your watch, you are welcome to 30 workout modes, 19 of which are completely new, coming up from the Mi Band 5. We can do the most obvious one, which is treadmill running over here, and if you're too lazy like me, you could just move your arm up and down. Don't tell health insurance companies this. Pretty sure they know about it already, but it works really well. It picks up your distance as well as your time, your pace, and more. And of course, we can't forget about the 5 ATM 50 meter deep underwater water resistance, which is a great little bonus on top for when you decide to take a nice swim with your new activity tracker buddy, the Mi Smart Band 6. So that pretty much covers everything for this review. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think this is a very nifty little smart band that can do all the functionalities of a fully fledged smart watch. I'm definitely going to be using it for the foreseeable future. Let me know if you guys decide to pick up yours for one great price. This is TechNick, and I'll catch you in the next one.